34 persons were arrested and charged for breaching the Disaster Risk Management and the Dangerous Drug Act in Trelawny on Friday. Police said the person includes one pregnant woman were charged after they were found at a river participating in an excitement event. In spite of the concerns about the COVID-19 pandemic, from which Jamaica has so far confirmed 490 cases and 9 deaths. One bar operator was also arrested. A bag containing vegetables and marijuana was also seized. Police said they also found out that a large number of persons held in the operation had traveled from other parishes to participate in the event. Police said that about 3:30 p.m. a team of officers went to Bengal River in the parish where the large group of persons were seen.
Make your way up there. Big ups.
Welcome again, people. Remember to leave a comment below and share and like the video and subscribe for more great content, and remember to check out one of our suggested videos on the screen. Until next time, peace.